DeWalt is bringing more charging options to your workstation with a Workbench power stand. It has a wireless Magsafe charger, can charge 4 devices at once, adjustable height, so you can bring this up to eye level. It has a base and the Magsafe stand, and it has this DeWalt guaranteed tough. So let's pop it open and see what we got. Alrighty, we're gonna have to do a little bit of assembly. So the actual stand here has an adjustable height, all right? So it can go up or down, okay? And then here's a little puck. This is the Magsafe magnetic wireless charging port. It attaches by a USB-C cable. And this is the, looks like the part that holds that aforementioned wireless, let me do this right, all right? This wireless charger. And so I'm just going to assemble it. I'm not looking at the directions, but there are directions in here, okay? I'm just going to try and figure it out as I go. Now, check this out. You got a curly Q charging cable, USB-C to USB-C, that goes on the stand. Remember when telephones had these curly Q? And the base, now the base is weighted, and the bottom has kind of a rubberized pad, all right? And you have some cover for the bottom ports. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 ports, and one of these is USB-A for those of us who are holding out. You still have some devices that have USB-A, not a problem. It can deliver 18 watts to that USB-A, and you have 2 other USB-Cs. They're supposed to be switching over to all USB-C, but I just bought a flashlight today that had a USB-A charger. All right, so there are still some USB-A stuff hanging out there, right? So 1, 2, 3 USB-Cs, 1 USB-A, and it looks like these bottom ports on the stand, the ones that are closest to the front, that this device will divvy up the 65 max among the 3 of them, and then 65 watts among the 3 of them, and then there's 65 watts dedicated to the stand. That's how I'm reading it. And then you have the plug, all right? And so where is the plug? Looks to be a regular plug. Check it out. DeWalt Mobile Solutions. This looks reflective like DOT tape. Really nice look there. I'm digging this sticker. And they call it all these mobile solutions. I have so many of the DeWalt Mobile Solutions. I think I may have them all. They need to make like a big old sheet that shows them all, because I have a bunch of them, right? Like right now, I'm using this one right here, right, to charge up my devices as I'm recording this. And because I'm recording this in this video, I'm not going to be able to test out the Magsafe, but you can see how it looks. So let me just screw it in. And I've not looked at the directions, but I did show you the directions. And so you got to make sure that, well, you tighten it up all the way, and then you can readjust this side, and then the Magsafe, plug it in via USB-C, all right? And then you plug in the USB-C at the bottom here, and then the top of this adjustable stand will physically hold on the Magsafe, right? Now, the advantage of this, from what I can tell, is that when you put your phone here, and you need to remove it, you can remove it and it will still be charging. Okay, you don't have to decide whether to have it on the stand or not. You can hold it and it will still charge, and then you put it back and it will keep on charging, which is nice. And as I showed you before, it's adjustable, all right? And so, like right now I have it here on this workbench. This workbench is at waist height, all right? And let me tip this up so you can kind of see. If I wanted it to be higher, then I can raise it up. It's kind of like a mic stand, right? This looks like a mic stand. Same idea, but it's for your phone, right? And then, you can swivel it. It can adjust in all these different ways. And, this is my garage workbench. And if I wanted to have my phone right at a higher level than the desk, and so I can look at like a YouTube tutorial while I'm fixing whatever I'm watching the video on, then the DeWalt Workbench power stand will do just that. Now, if you're at your desk with your computer and everything, you can adjust it lower, because if you're sitting down in a seat and you have like a desk height workstation, then, you know, lower this stand down and it should be at a good height. Again, off the desk, at eye level, at whatever level you want, right? And then if you have other items you need to charge up, not a problem. There's 3 different ports down here. And as I showed you, they're covered up with this rubberized cover to keep, you know, all the sawdust and everything from getting in there. A little bit of weight to the stand so it won't topple over. If you're one of those guys who puts like a you know, case on his phone that's like heavier than the phone, it feels to me like this DeWalt stand is sturdy enough, shouldn't fall over. Now you have a little bit of a design here that, you know, kind of a grip, okay? And that grip is the same type of grip on my other charging station, right? And so where's the plug? Actually, I never pulled the plug out. I said I would. Here it is. Here's the plug, all right? And so you have this kind of standard AC plug, and it just plugs in to the wall, to a power strip or whatever. And here's how it looks, all right? And now you can run this cable in the other direction behind the workstation, or, you know, plug it into the wall, wherever, okay? Now, I'll read the directions. This is just off the cuff, right? This is kind of like a first impressions unboxing. But how it holds up, how well it works, well, let me read the directions. I will actually sit down and read the directions. Not in this video, okay? But I'll just flip through them and show you that these directions, you know, look like they have explanations that are all typed out, and they have some pictures to help you guys understand what's going on. Now, all the information I was saying about, you know, divvying up power and stuff, I don't even know if that's 100% true, because I'm just going off the cuff. So I'll have to like read the directions and validate all that information. But it is labeled, you guys can see, 65 watts, and it has kind of a bracket covering these 3 ports at the front. And then it says C3 65 watts that plugs into the Magsafe charger, okay? And there's other information listed here in terms of the FCC information. The input, 5 volts, output, 5 watts. What does it say? 5 watts, 7.5 watts, 10 watts, 15 watts. Now the cool thing about all of this being like plugging in and unplugging is that a lot of times, you know, cables fail. I mean, it just happens that the cable could fail. And because it unplugs and plugs in regularly, you can replace it. You know, you could take one of these like DeWalt chargers, the charging cables, and you could put it in here. You know, if you wanted to complete the look, if you did not want the curly Q, that's not a problem, okay? And so it's easy to swap out the cable here, but because, you know, you have this cable on a stand, it's good to have a curly Q one so you can adjust it up and down. You don't need it to be super rugged, super durable, because it's going to be on the stand, okay? Now let me plug in this to the other ports just to kind of show you that, you know, what it's going to look like. And you know, I'll just plug in this USB-A, might as well. And DeWalt does have a USB-A cable. I just unboxed one. I have it in my car, so I use the USB-A because a lot of the cars have USB-As for their stereo system, right? And so there's the USB-A, there's the USB-C. I think that I should plug another one in just to give you guys an idea. So I push back all of these covers. I have 3 cables plugged in, and then I have this cable plugged into the Magsafe. Now, I can't really show you guys the Magsafe because my Magsafe device is my phone. I'm filming this on the phone, but you can kind of, I'll do this so you can kind of get the idea. All right, so there it is on the stand. And what I'm going to do is tighten this so it doesn't move. I'm going to get it exactly the angle I want it to. I'm going to tighten down this collar right here, okay? See that collar? I'm just tightening it up the exact angle I want this. And now I just realized that I could actually use this to like film product review videos, okay? This could actually be a stand for my phone that, you know, if I was going to review something, it's possible, okay? or, you know, video conferencing. I could turn the camera around to be facing me, and it will be like pointing at my face. You know, if you wanted to put this on a desk next to your computer, it could be a stand for your phone, and your phone could be the camera for video conferencing, right? And then it could be charging the whole time, okay? And so that's a pretty cool thing, right? Like this looks like a mic stand. You know, it's like the DeWalt took the idea of a mic stand and brought it up to the next level for its super tough, super useful, super durable mobile solutions, of which I'm a huge fan. And so I'm going to test this one out. I might even bring it to work. I might even put it on my workstation at work to see how it holds up. But I'm impressed with this so far. I like the idea. Now, all the information I said about the charging, the wattage, let me validate all of that, okay? I'm just reading what's written on top of the stand. I have to read up on what officially the wattages are for each of these, for those of you who want the exact numbers. And I'll test it out. I do have a USB tester. I have a USB tester. We can test, you know, the output of all these and see what it's putting out, if you guys are interested, okay? So check out DeWalt's Workbench Power Stand with wireless charger. I'm Jim Kinkade. Thanks for watching.